Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you the whatever we're bringing you.
The best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
That's the one.
Teamwork making the dream work there, Michael. You were just handballing it to me.
Welcome back.
It's good to be back.
Yeah, you finally arrived in town.
I have.
Yeah.
And immediately shoved back under the unboxing knife.
Good stuff. All right, let's get into it. We've got two different types of unboxings here. They're both silver, 1 ounce coins from overseas. I was going to say, why don't we hide them from people? But they'll have already read the description.
Read the title, yeah. They know before we do, most of the time.
Right. So that's all right. So in here we have the fantastic, the wonderful Niue Owl. So for the year. Here we go.
2022 is looking at that there.
Dated 2023, mate.
I mean, I'm just telling you what it says there. I mean,
That's what it says. That'll be what they are.
And I kind of like these boxes because they kind of have the split up of the tube. It's not just one big monster box where they're all contained inside. There's kind of little mini, not quite mini monster boxes, but these little mini boxes in the middle there.
Oh, wait, there's more.
That's it.
So, there we go. They come in tubes of 20, in boxes of 100, in cases of 500.
That's it.
So if you wish to order a bulker amount, then get a sealed box.
Now, I'm not sure if they do a regular one of this as well, but these are the stacker coins as well.
They are.
Just the... That's it. I'm not sure if they do I know with the Buffalo, for example, that they also do a stacker one of those that there's kind of, I would say, the normal coin and then the stacker one. I haven't actually seen a quote-unquote normal owl, but...
That's how they come as stackers. So you've got the owl on the reverse, if you like. And it's a replication of... Oh, I'll have to remember.
It's an old Greek coin. That's kind of...
It's not Greek, it's...
I would have said it was Greek.
No, I don't think so. I think it's... Isn't it an Aztec creation?
No, I'm gonna put my foot down on this one and say Greek, and if I am wrong, I will. I'll put it up on the screen now.
So we'll actually put them side by side there. So you've got the obverse, so Queen Elizabeth. They've reverted back to that, and the owl on the other side. And then the reason they call them stackers, I'll put 2 or 3 together.
Yeah, let's go for that. Although it still may, like, I know it's designed to, but I have to admit it does make me cringe a little bit hearing the metal on metal because
well, they don't move because they actually, because of these grids around the outside, they actually lock in together. So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but they're not actually rotating at all.
Yeah.
So they are contained all in one.
That's it.
So that's why they're called stacker coins. So that is the owl. That's one side of what we've unboxed.
Now we have to figure out if I actually recognise that there were 2 different things contained here and I actually separated them out or not. Let's find out. We may be about to unbox some more owls. We shall see.
No, they're not owls.
All right.
They're definitely not hopefully owls. Alrighty. So you're glad to be back in town?
I am, although I have come back and the rain has followed me back. It has been rainy ever since. So
this is your fault.
Apparently. Hey, I told you I wasn't prepared.
All right. Okay, let's go to the next box.
I've come back and it's rainy, so I don't know where was this. It's hot summer. My family was telling me from back home it was getting all hot, so I don't know if I believe them or not now.
Mate, you know why it's rain?
Yeah.
I'd love to blame you, but it wasn't. We ran out of water in our water tanks over the weekend. We got a water delivery.
That'll do it.
And as soon as the tanker turned up, it started raining.
Hey.
So we have, and people have been asking for these for a while.
The next in the Queen's Virtues.
We do have the next in the Queen's Virtues. And if I could open the flipping box, this would be even better.
Tends to be an important part of an unboxing.
It does.
Same again there with the, I'm guessing the packages of 100 in the middle there.
That's all right. So, truths. Been looking forward to these for a while, as have many people.
I was going to say that's it. We kind of generated interest in the series, and then we weren't actually sure for a while there what was going to happen with the rest of this one. With the passing of Her Majesty, it was kind of one of those series that we weren't quite sure about.
And couldn't get any information.
About. But yeah, looks like they're soldering on, and we shall have to see if
they've gone with the Queen Elizabeth.
They have.
Just trying to see if they've done the memorial on it, but they haven't. They've just gone with the standard.
Although I'm not actually 100% sure when these were actually produced. You might actually know a little bit more on that.
No, I don't actually with these,
you go.
because I think they got held up for a while because of the Queen Elizabeth disaster. So you can see there, that is what they look like on their obverse and reverse. So I actually think I love this series that they're doing. I should put some eyes on so I can look at them properly. And I've actually not orientated that one correctly, have I?
That's all right, though.
So, yeah, you'll get some proper
we'll
footage on
fix it in post.
Yeah, so truth conquers all. And it's actually, I love the way they've done the matte finish with the background. I think they've really, really nailed it.
Yeah, it plays around with some of the different fields there and kind of gives you that really cool patterning on the background.
Yeah, that security kind of feature patterning. Yep. And it just looks really good. And there's even, I've got to look closer and work out what that is, but that little mark on their side there.
I'll get some close-ups of that and see what it is, but yeah.
So, beautiful coin. Not overly expensive, so which is good to see. They're producing some of these things at a more reasonable bullion price. And if you're viewing this video, near the start, we've got them in stock. These ones are I don't know. Supply of these is going to be very patchy, so I'd say if you want them in your collection, grab them now. I don't know if, I'm not saying we can't get any more in stock, but I'm saying I really don't think we're going to be getting any more. This is the one delivery. I'm
gonna preempt the comments here a little bit, and I may be putting you on the spot here on this one, but what about the 5 ounce?
Yeah,
that's going to be the question.
I'm not getting any information from the wholesalers on that yet. So at this stage, I'd say we're not going to get them. But I am desperate. Rest assured, I am desperately trying.
all right.
So, to get them in. And that's it for this international unboxing.
Good stuff. All right, we will see you all in the next one.
Sounds good. See ya.